It's December 11th of 2014, and I have my 93 International Bluebird over at the body shop. It's going to be having a lot of work done to it to try and fix the rust problems that are creeping up. I'm going to be having a new floor put down in here after having the undercarriage sandblasted, painted with something called Pore 15, which is a good rust inhibiting paint. The floor is soft in areas, like where I'm stepping right now. You can see that it's settled down and it's not even touching the trim that covers the heater line. That's how much it's settled down. But yeah, there's a lot of serious rust problems. This bus has been a Connecticut bus its entire life, and I plan to have, well, you can hear the crunching. That's all the rust underneath the vinyl floor. But I'm going to have the sidewall painted from the seat rail down, plywood floor installed. I'm going to hopefully get some tan marble flooring put down in here, new aisle trim, and the whole underside of the bus is going to get blasted and painted. See if we can take a look at that. Very rusty. It's my battery box. Battery box is going to get replaced. Looks like the step well has a little bit coming off the bottom of it too. It's all going to get fixed. Worse if it's behind the wheel, the rear wheels. There's the underside of the floor. Doesn't look too good. And the estimated completion date for this project is in February. So look for another video with the final result in February.